Hey there, handy friends. Today we're going to be making an Oxymel with Anise Hyssop.
You're probably wondering what exactly an Oxymel is. An Oxymel means acid and honey, and it has been used for millennia to help boost the immune system, soothe dry throats, and improve digestive issues. Oxymels are wonderful for coughs and respiratory infections. This herb has been used for flus and colds. It also is a cardiac herb used to strengthen a weak heart, antiviral herb used to treat herpes, and it has digestives provided to help relieve gas and bloating. It is also great for diarrhea and can reduce fevers. Since I've harvested this straight out of my yard, I did not wash it off, but if you choose to wash yours off, be sure to let it dry completely before adding it to this recipe. Here I am finely chopping up the herb so I can get it into my jar. By cutting up the herbs, we will be releasing all of its medicinal properties into our choice of solvent. I am lucky to have such beautiful connections, and I have local honey as well as apple cider vinegar. There is no set recipe here, it's just chop herbs, fill half of your jar, and equal parts of honey and vinegar, or a bit more honey. Always make sure you shake your apple cider vinegar very well to release the mother. Since I like mine on a bit of the sweet side, I will be following traditional recipes which use a bit more honey than vinegar. I have read it was 5 parts honey to 1 part vinegar, so that's what I tried to follow. Here I'm using the other end of a wooden spoon to help me give it a really good stir. I'm going to be storing this Oxymel in a cool, dark place and shaking it twice a week for 2 to 4 weeks. To limit the amount of air, you're going to be sure to fill your jar almost all the way to the top. Give it another stir, and it's ready to go. As you can see, I am using a plastic lid. You do not want to use a typical mason jar lid here. It will corrode the lid and rust it into your Oxymel. Not good.
Hey there, handy friends. So I have my Anise Hyssop Oxymel here, and it's been 4 weeks. I'm ready to strain it.
Here I have my sieve, and I'm going to use this to separate my herbs from my Oxymel. I'm going to be using the jar to kind of help press the rest of the Oxymel liquid out into the bowl, and afterwards I will be composting my herbs. I'm going to label and store my Oxymel in a cool, dark place, and this will keep for up to 6 months. I really love using my Oxymel in different things around the house. I can use it in tea or to flavor other nice drinks. I can also use it in baking. It's just really beneficial. And also, it's great to have if someone gets sick. If you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, be sure you give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you love Anise Hyssop or if you make your own Oxymels and what herbs of choice you use. Please subscribe to my channel for more wonderful videos related to nature to come in the future. And as always, stay handy, friends.